I believe that nothing exists in a vacuum. So a lot of things are interconnected. If I were to relate my earlier learnings or what I have acquired or what I have picked up or what I have voluntarily learned, and if we put it together, everything boils down to feelings. And if I am not feeling good today about myself, how can I take care of my kids? So that's the top line for me. I have to be taken care of by myself. And the skills, I'm more of a theoretically driven person. So I tried hard to grasp the skills, and as I gradually started using them, I started seeing small success stories with myself, and I would write them down. These are my small wins for the day. These are my small wins for the summer, and that would push me all the more, and hence I was motivated to take the revision again with you. And now I feel magical about myself, and I feel superpowered as a mother. I don't know, it just comes automatically, and hence the belief just gets stronger. To be believing and to be more authentic and to be connected with our feelings, and hence empower my child is the priority.
Lovely. So do you have a favorite skill? Like, is there something that you...
Inventive iMessages is my all-time
Your favorite.
But I need to gear up with gear shifting and more of listening skills.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Dipeeka.